We will not have live class today because I am headed up to the GCA office in Atlanta. But the agenda today is quick. I wanted to talk about the prize drawing that we're having on Wednesday in class, recognize our all-stars who are completely caught up on all assignments, and then remind you of the assignment checklist for those of you that still need to turn in some assignments, and then I'm going to give you your ticket out the door. But if you added to the SRA Flex Log over the last 2 weeks when I was out doing the EOG and EOC, if you added to the SRA Flex Log, your name is entered into a drawing that we will have in class on Wednesday, and the two winners will receive a gift card. It's a surprise gift card. We'll find out soon. And these are our all-stars: Ashton, Armani, Kiana, Titus, Brianna, Eric Luna, Angel, Casey, Sims, Hannah, and Kira. They've turned in everything from Instructional Cycle 6, so they are completely caught up. So congratulations to you guys. These are the assignments that they've turned in, but this is due on May 18th. You have to have, between May 7th and 18th, you have to do 4 more SRA Flex lessons. But everyone else, I need your Reading Fluency 3, your Races Writing assignment, that's the Follow the Horse Constructed Response, and I'm missing some SRA Flex lessons for April 9th through 20th from some of you. But I'll show you where you can find that checklist. If you go under IC6 in Content, there's a tab that says Instructional Cycle 6 Assignments. This is a checklist. It'll be very helpful for you when you're trying to turn this stuff in. The Reading Fluency 3 instructions and turn-in are there. Links to the SRA Flex Reading Log. There's a direct link to the Follow the Horse Constructed Response, also known as the Race Writing. There you can find the assignment directions and where to turn it in. And coming up, due on May 18th, it's another round of SRA Flex lessons. You've got to make sure you have 4 more in by May 18th on that link. And the Reading Fluency 3 we'll do again in class. If you haven't done it, you can turn it into the Dropbox, or we can do that together in class on Wednesday, if you'd rather do that. Your TOD password today is dog. You can find the today's TOD, IC6 Week 3 Review, right there. Email me or call me if you need anything. Other than that, I'll see you guys on Wednesday.